Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. Wanted to go through and give you an update overview of our compound pump. The compound pump, it's the workhorse. It is the tool you use almost every time that you get your automatic tools out of the van. So the pump is something that you want to make sure is robust, built well, and easy to repair. So I'm going to just show you some of the features and benefits of our pump. You know, one of the things that we've done is make this a little more modular in terms of storage. So we've got some grenade pins up here you can pop out and remove this handle for easy storage. I'll do that in a minute. You can see we've anodized these parts. This is all built in aluminum now, so this is built in aluminum machined along with this handle. It's at an angle now, so you can get a little bit higher raise on the handle when you're running a full pump in your bucket. You can see on our foot, we've gone again to an extruded aluminum piece versus a cast piece to improve their strength. We include a wrench. One thing that folks are always looking for when they're using their pump is, oh, where's my wrench to put on my filler, change my filler to my gooseneck, and where's my wrench maybe even to tighten these up. So you've got a handy wrench right there. You've got a very thick rubber gasket here that goes in between your gooseneck and filler. Our pump comes with a filler. Most pumps you buy, matter of fact, I think all pumps you buy out there, you got to buy the filler separately. So when you're buying our pump, you're getting the filler along with that, so you can fill every one of your tools, quite frankly. You can use this even to fill your automatic taper just by holding it in the side valve there. You can use it to fill your corner box. And of course, you use this adapter when you're filling up your flat boxes. So right out of the box, you can use the Level 5 pump, which is different than anybody else's. The other thing is you're going to pay less for it. So not only are you going to get a free filler, you're going to pay less overall for a pump that's absolutely fantastic. We've got quick latches on the side here. So you easily just turn those latches. Tube pops right off for easy cleanability. Look at the bottom foot as well. You've got another grenade pin there. Pop that off. Foot comes out. So you can knock this thing all down, take it apart, and clean it after every use. I see guys online bragging, well, I haven't taken my pump apart in 2 years. Bad idea. Take your pump apart, because this tube, it'll seal up to this cast piece, and you're going to have a hell of a time getting off there. It may really ruin your pump. So we recommend taking it apart, rinsing it out, oiling it up really good. How much oil do you need after you've cleaned this up? More is better. Put as much machine oil on this as you possibly can. Stay away from some of those spray lubricants because they can affect some of these rubber parts. You can see same standard stainless steel shaft. We've got the same plunger cups and parts as most pumps out there have. So we have repair kits available. Again, very, very simple device. And it really primes very, very easily and very well. So it's a simple operation like most pumps are out there. We've got the brass bit on the top, that brass bushing for long life, but smooth operation. So you can see when I'm using this, pump, put it back together, you can see how easy it is to clean. So the guys are out there saying, hey, you know, I haven't cleaned my pump in 2 years. I don't know why. I mean, it's easy to take apart. It's easy to store as well. You pop out those 2 grenade pins. Your handle comes off, so you can lay that all down in your box if you got a carry case or something, where it'll travel a lot better than having that handle stand up like that. Again, if you look at our pump, it's the workhorse. 7-year warranty on our pump. That's for material workmanship, so anything prematurely corrodes or wears out, we'll make sure we take care of it. We're always finisher first here at Level 5 Tools. If you like this video, check out our YouTube channel, Level 5 Tools. You can always find us at level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.